What if I told you there's one simple movement, no machines, no equipment, that can build leg strength, fix your posture, boost your energy, and yes, even improve blood flow to areas that matter? Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's real, and most people over 50 have never even tried it. It's called the horse stance, and while it looks like you're just standing, don't be fooled. This ancient pose has been practiced for centuries by martial artists and athletes, not for how it looks, but for what it delivers. Here's the best part. It takes just 2 minutes a day, and you can do it right in your living room. No gym membership, no joint stress, no complicated routine. But what it does for your balance, joint health, pelvic circulation, and even hormonal vitality might genuinely surprise you. In this video, I'll show you exactly why the horse stance works and how you can start using it today to stay strong, steady, and centered after 50. Stick around because benefit number 7 is something nobody talks about, but everyone over 50 should know. Before we dive in, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. Let's go. Real strength starts from the ground up. Let's be honest, after 50, leg strength isn't about looking fit. It's about getting out of a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs without pain, walking confidently without fear of falling. The horse stance is like a charging station for your lower body. When you sink into this position, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all fire up at once, and they stay activated the entire time you hold it. No bouncing, no pounding, just pure, controlled tension. And that's where the magic happens. Unlike high-impact exercises that wear down your knees and hips, this stance builds strength without the wear and tear. It's gentle on joints, but brutal on muscles. The perfect combination for aging bodies. And here's what most people miss. The stronger your legs, the more independent you stay. From carrying groceries to catching your balance on a slick floor, your legs are your life support system. Just 2 minutes a day can restore power you didn't know you'd lost and give you that grounded, steady feeling that changes everything. But leg strength isn't only the beginning. What this does for your core might surprise you even more. Your core is more than abs. It's your foundation. Most people think core strength means six-pack abs, but after 50, it's about something far more critical: stability, posture, and protecting your spine. The horse stance quietly works your entire core, not just the front, but your sides and deep lower back muscles too. When you hold this position, your body has to stabilize itself without leaning, twisting, or collapsing. That subtle effort, your core firing on all cylinders. A strong core reduces lower back pressure, helps you sit and stand longer without pain, and improves how your whole body moves. Everyday things like turning while driving or getting out of bed become smoother and less exhausting. And unlike crunches that strain your neck, the horse stance teaches core endurance, the kind of strength that holds you upright all day long. This is the quiet, behind-the-scenes power that keeps you standing tall and pain-free. But if you think core strength is impressive, wait till you hear what it does for your balance. Quick question for you. Have you ever felt your balance isn't quite what it used to be? Maybe you've grabbed a wall just in case or hesitated on stairs. Drop a yes or no in the comments. I want to know if this resonates with you, because what I'm about to share could change that completely. Rebuild your balance without even moving. One of the most overlooked signs of aging is the quiet loss of balance. You don't notice it until you miss a step or stumble off a curb. But what if you could train your body to sense itself better without fancy equipment or risky moves? That's what the horse stance does. Holding this position forces your body to stay centered from your feet to your head. Your muscles fire to keep you upright, but more importantly, your brain reactivates something called proprioception, your internal GPS that tells you where your body is in space. Think of it like recalibrating your balance system. Over time, this doesn't just improve stability, it gives you confidence in every step you take. Falls aren't just accidents, they're warnings. The horse stance helps you respond before they happen. And speaking of things nobody warns you about, let's talk about something most fitness videos skip entirely. Support below the belt, without pills or awkward conversations. Let's talk about your pelvic health, because after 50, it's not about strength and balance. It's also about circulation, vitality, and yes, even sexual function. The horse stance does something unique. It activates deep muscles around your hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen, areas most workouts completely ignore. As you hold the stance, blood flow increases to the pelvic region, gently stimulating tissues and improving vascular health down there. For men, this can support erectile function by improving circulation. For women, it strengthens the pelvic floor, which supports bladder control and sexual wellness. This isn't vanity. It's about staying connected to your body and enjoying quality of life without medications or expensive treatments. And because this posture also regulates breathing and lowers stress hormones, you might notice an unexpected bonus: better mood, improved sleep, and renewed vitality. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. Sometimes it means waking up. But there's still more this simple stance can do, especially for your mind. Train your body, strengthen your mind. Most exercises focus on moving the body, but the horse stance does something more powerful. It trains your mind to stay calm when everything tells you to quit. Holding this position isn't just physical, it's mental. After 30 seconds, your legs shake, your thoughts wander, and your brain screams, "Stop." But when you stay, breathe, and focus, something shifts. You're not just building muscle, you're building resilience. This is the kind of mental toughness that carries into life when stress hits, when plans fall apart, when sleep doesn't come easy. Your mind stays steadier, more anchored. Science backs this up. Slow, focused movement paired with breath control reduces cortisol, improves emotional regulation, and builds mental endurance. For anyone over 50, this is a game changer. Because life won't always get easier, but you can get stronger, inside and out. And that quiet inner strength often starts with doing one small, hard thing every day, like standing still when your mind says, "Enough." Now, let me show you exactly how to do it safely.
How to do the horse stance. Simple and safe.
Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Start with your feet together. Step out wide until your legs are about double shoulder width apart. Step 2. Turn your toes outward slightly, about 15 to 30 degrees. Step 3. Slowly lower your hips like you're sitting on an invisible stool. Aim for thighs roughly parallel to the floor or as low as comfortable. Step 4. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and knees tracking over your toes, not caving inward. Step 5. Eyes forward, chin level, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Step 6. Hold for 30 seconds to start. Work up to 1 to 2 minutes over time. Focus on staying tall, grounded, and calm. Your power builds in stillness, not speed. Who should avoid this? If you've had recent knee, hip, or lower back surgery, or have uncontrolled high blood pressure or severe balance issues, skip this exercise. Always consult your doctor first. Now, here is why this matters more than you think. What else does this do? Beyond strength, balance, and pelvic health,
The horse stance also opens tight hips, improving mobility and reducing lower back pain. Boosts hormones naturally, increasing energy, mood, and vitality without pills. Strengthens joints safely, building support around knees and hips without wear and tear. Engages your entire body, working nearly every major muscle group without moving. It's a full-body workout disguised as stillness. And because it takes under 2 minutes, it actually gets done. No long-hour routines, no expensive equipment, just consistent, efficient effort. And results you can feel. This is your personal gym, and you carry it with you everywhere. The power of stillness and why it matters now.
In a world that's always pushing you to do more, move faster, and stay busy, the horse stance offers something radically different. Stillness with purpose. It's not flashy, it won't go viral, but it works. Because at this stage in life, you don't need more noise, you need strength that lasts, balance that protects, and confidence that comes from within. With just 2 minutes a day, you can rebuild lower body strength, regain stability, improve posture, and support your internal health without machines, without pills, and without leaving home. And the truth is, this isn't just about exercise. It's about proving to yourself that you're not done growing, that you still have the power to improve, to take control, and invest in you. So here's my challenge. Stand up right now. Find a quiet space. Give it just 30 seconds. Let your body remind you what it's capable of. Let your mind feel that grounded power again. Drop a comment and let me know. How long did you hold it? Did your legs shake? How did it feel? I read every comment and reply personally. And if you want to take this even further, I've got the perfect follow-up video for you. Over 50? 6 Japanese movements that keep elders strong past 100. Try these daily. It's a complete system that includes the horse stance plus 5 other powerful movements used by Japanese centenarians to stay independent and pain-free. Click the video on your screen right now. Your future self will thank you. This is FitFixen, and we're just getting started.